Hello friends, good morning. Welcome to yoga session. Today we are going to handle an interesting topic. Are you yawning during your workout? I have some experience, students in front of me, when they start breathe out, suddenly the yawning will come. It is involuntarily. We can't resist the yawning. And when we think about yawning, that is very much related to health. So now I am just pointing out the yawning during our workout only. So if you are having yawning throughout the day, please consult your doctor and find out the reason. So when we are in a workout session, if we are not interested in the session, or if we are nervous, or if we are excited, moreover if we are tired of some other activities and here, and these are some of the reasons that leads to yawning. So when you become a regular yoga practitioner, this will go away. So to get away from the yawning, breathing is very good. Sit tall with spine erect and take a lengthy slow breath in like this, and go for a long breath out, focusing within and visualizing that you are oxygenating each and every cells in your body. So when it comes to the next breathing, you can give the message to the brain. Your brain is getting the purified oxygen. So that will take away the yawning. And when you can't control the yawning again, you can just go to the restroom, or you can have a small drink like that and come back and join the class. And that is about yawning like this. Keep it away. Don't make your yoga teacher that I am bored like that. So stay fresh and active in your yoga class. That is it, my dear students. Bye bye.